It's the Speeder 9 Zulu Yankee, ILS 24 right.
Speeder 9 Zulu Yankee Heavy, Toronto Tower. The wind's 2608 gust 15, and for the final time, Dad, clear to land at runway 24 right.
Thank you, son. We're clear to land 24 right, Speeder 9 Zulu Yankee.
Speeder 9 Zulu Yankee, take it to the end, exit right on Delta 8, stay with me.
To the end, right on Delta 8, and with you, Speeder 9 Zulu.
Speeder 9 Zulu Yankee, congratulations on a beautiful end to an amazing career. 36 years, amazing. And we're so proud of you. Congratulations on your retirement. And I just want to say, welcome home, Dad. Speeder 9 Zulu Yankee, contact ground 121.9.
Ground 121.9, and 1 second, that's over. Yeah, thanks very much, son. I'm very proud of you.
Speeder 9 Zulu Yankee, thanks.
Love you, Ben.
Love you guys.